Hello everybody, welcome to a special video on this channel. What's in this box right here is probably the new rarest device I ever own. No joke. This definitely dethrones my older style BRK 769AC and even my Firenetics Cam Series IB. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my, this thing is definitely packaged pretty good. Slowly getting there. Oh my goodness, this package has a lot of dust. Who in the world made this type of cardboard package? Nearly there. You can already see it. There we go. Get all this crap out of here. And here it is. Yes, this is an original BRK box right here. And when you see this box, you know it's gonna be good. You know it's gonna be really good. So let's open this up and see what we have. I just need to figure out how to open this up. Oh, yep. There it is. Oh, yes. Nothing in here. All right, let's get that aside. Oh, oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, it came with the manual too. Came with the manual too. Yes, you are reading this correctly. This is a BRK SS74R. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This thing is sick. This thing is awesome. Nice. This is an earlier one, I think. This is the radium variant. Yeah, this is the radium variant. I just wonder if there is anything over here. I don't think there's anything specific in the cover. Here's the mounting hardware. Definitely interesting. And here's the circuit board. This is the test socket right here. And over here, SS74R. So this is legitimate. This is a legitimate BRK SS74R. Here's sensitivity adjustment right here. I think this is also a sensitivity adjustment, but I am not entirely sure. But yeah, this is where the original 10.7 volt battery goes in. Obviously, they don't make those batteries anymore because they were banned. But I bet I can power this off of a 9 volt without any sort of problem. So Yeah, I'm still blown away. So, I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and power this thing up. I'm gonna use a 9 volt and hopefully it works that way. Alright. I did see a video on where this did not work with a fully charged 9 volt, but I'll give it a shot. Alright. See if it'll do anything. No, I don't think so. So I'm gonna go ahead and use two partially dead 9 volts to hopefully get the voltage I need. So I'll be right back. Alright, after a very long time, I have finally got this thing powered on. I did have to adjust sensitivity a little bit because it was falsing, but it is working. I have it hooked up to 7 AA batteries. Yes, I know this is a very sketchy way, but this is the only... I don't have any other tools, so this is gonna have to do for right now. I do have it set on the proper voltage, so without further ado, let's go ahead and give this a test. So here we go. And there it is. It definitely sounds really awesome. Yeah, this thing is so freaking awesome. Alright, that's going to do it for this unboxing here. I was going to test this alarm with its cover on, but this thing is just a pain in the butt to test, especially with the method I wired it. And that is mainly because I don't have the proper tools and to properly hook those batteries up in series. But who knows, I might get an 11 or even a 10.7 volt power supply one day. And if I do, I'll provide a proper video of this going off. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. I definitely hope to get a better video of this alarm sounding soon. But for now, it's going to have to do. So yeah, and again, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.